Hello, I have decided to send you the instruction by video, which is a way more easier to avoid mistake when you have to use the product. First of all, I want to show you what you are receiving in your package. The first product you have in your package is this wood, you see. We basically use this wood for treating diabetes and also all type of skin condition. In your case, this wood will be really useful to treat the scalp since it's a skin. Also, the second product I want you to use is this one. I call it the sacred wood, the sacred white wood. It does so many things that are good for our health. It's basically we use it to treat all the conditions related to the women reproductive system, but it also does a good cleansing of the blood. So in your case, this wood will be perfect for removing the toxin in your blood. And the third product I want you to use is this one, diatomaceous in a powder, a white powder. Diatomaceous comes from fresh water sources, and they just extract them and also reduce in a powder like this. It has the property to absorb everything that, if you take it, everything that is not supposed to be in your blood will be also removed by this, because it has a powerful absorbing power. Also when you're gonna start using this product, you should see your nail growing after 12 days, and also the hair should start growing, because it contains a lot of silica. It contains especially the silica that is really useful for creating like good hair and also the nails. The third product I started to open it is this one. It's a blend of cocoa butter and also avocado oil and shea butter. So it's a beautiful blend. It smells very good. I want you to use this product as soon as you start seeing your hair grow. You will use it as a nourishing cream, okay, for your hair. Okay, so now you've seen everything that is inside your package. I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, so for the first one, I want you to use the stick first. In the morning when you wake up, you need a bottle of at least 1.5 liter. You fill it with water that you will drink, and you're gonna insert only one stick. Okay, you will put one stick in your bottle, and you will keep it for at least the 10 days, and every morning you will drink the water. Okay, you will take 1 glass of water. You can even go 1.5 glasses every morning, and you're gonna do it for the whole 10 days. When you're done, you will start using the white wood. Take at least 2 to 3, a container, a recipient like this, 2 to 3 liters of water. Even 4 is perfect. And you see this one is really long, so I can use even a 4 liter. You put your water in your recipient, and after that you add the stick, close it, and you are good to drink it every morning as well. And this one, you can even drink the water throughout the day. You don't have to only take it during AM. You can take it at noon as well, but you have to finish the whole water, and also leave the stick for at least 10 days. And even in certain case, sometimes for me, I can even keep it for 14 days if you know how the product works, because basically it contains something I call tannin. Inside the wood there is a tannin, and when you put it into the water, the tannin starts dissolving and goes into the water. So if you are able to know that there is still some of the substance tannin in the wood, you can still use it after 10 days. It's up to you. But anyways, as soon as you are done with the 10 days treatment, you go now for the diatomaceous. This one also is 10 days. Every morning before you start eating, this one is really better. It works better if you take it even 2 to 3 hours before eating. Okay, so you have 1 scoop of 1 teaspoon in your glass of water. It can be juice as well. If it's a natural juice, you can do that. Put it in there, add the water, blend, and you're ready to drink it. And you can use warm water as well. Okay, so and then you're gonna have 10 days with this. As soon as you are done with your 10 days, as I told you, you should start seeing your hair growing now, and you're gonna use the cream as a nourishing treatment. Okay, I think I have explained everything. If you still have more questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Take care.